In this video, I'll be showing you how to add plugins to your Claude AI account. So all you need to do is simply open up Claude, and then you want to go ahead and select the option Customize. Under Customize, you're going to go to the section labeled Plugins, and you're going to select that. And then you're going to choose the option Browse Plugins. Now from here, you do have two different categories available, as well as different plugins for those specific categories. The first one is called Anthropic, which is the in-house plugins that they've developed. You can see all of these options are available for you. So to add any of these options, say for example, you want to add something like human resources or design, you can go ahead and just select this plus button, and that plugin should be installed and ready to use almost immediately. You can also go ahead and select partners, so people who are partnered with Anthropic. And you can go ahead and select any of these options and just select the plus icon so that you can add that plugin to your account. So let's say, for example, you want to use this one. Now you can see here it's already been successfully added. So again, plugins can be incredibly useful. So you can go ahead and search for different options or scroll for different options. If you're looking for a specific one, you can go ahead and just type it in, and you should be able to see it listed there. So you can go ahead and add it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.